So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be talking about the hostel facilities and PG flats and where should you live during your college tenure. So and what is safe for you and what will be comfortable for you and what will be cheap for you. So I'll be telling all these stuffs in this video, so be with me till the end, and I'll tell you about that what is best for you to live. So starting with the hostel, so as I have told in earlier videos, hostel fees is 85k for non-AC accommodation and 10 to 15,000 security deposit, in which mess is not included. I have received many questions regarding the mess, that what is the charges of mess. So mess is not included in the hostel fees. This is like an restaurant where you can go and eat whatever you want, and you have to pay according to the food you eat. So it's like that what you eat and you will pay for it. So regarding AC accommodation, it cost around 1,60,000 plus 10 to 15,000 security deposit. Same goes with the AC accommodation also. Hostel mess is not included in that. If I'll talk about hostel mess, then you can take around 5 to 7k per month as your budget for food and other necessary stuff. It will be enough if you don't spend like money like hell. So it will be enough for you for a month to eat and to buy necessary goods. So it will be enough like 5 to 7k. My friend who is like some rich spent 10 to 15k per month. But if you are a money saver and you can spend it well, then it's around 5 to 7k per month. It will be enough for you. Talking about the rates of PG, so I'll tell you a range according to the accommodation. It starts from around 4 to 5k and it goes around 25k per month. According to the accommodation, if you apply for triple occupancy, then it will cost you less, and if you will apply for single occupancy, it will cost you more. According to facilities, it ranges. That if you want an AC accommodation, it will range more. If you want an non-AC accommodation, it will cost you less. And if I'll talk about AC and and single occupancy, it can cost you around 15 to 16,000. And if I'll talk about non-AC but single occupancy, it will cost around 8 to 9k per month. And without food, I'm talking about single occupancy is not that cheap. You can go for double occupancy. And apart from PG, if I'll talk about flats, then flats will cost about 10 to 12k for 1 BHK. And if we'll go for 2 BHK, then it will cost about 20 to 16 to 20k. And if you'll go for 3 BHK and 3 BHK, then it will cost about 25k and more. And if you don't like restrictions that MT hostel has lots of restrictions. So if you don't like restrictions, then you should not prefer hostel, because hostel is so restricted. But in the city like Noida and Delhi, it's where moving at night, it's not that safe like around cities. So you should go for hostels in your first year. If you are a bachelor and if you are a fresher, then you should go for hostel. And people coming to Amity in like for master's degree like MBA and other, then they have an idea that how other things work around outside the college. Then they can live outside the college. But if you are a fresher and you are leaving your home for the first time, then I should strongly recommend you to take hostels for the first year. And you will get depressed in 2-3 months earlier, like 2-3 months in starting. But after that you will like the hostel and you will enjoy the hostel, and in the end of the first year you will like you will be like I should take hostel in next year also, because MD hostel is like very good. It provides facilities also, it provides many things also, but it has a hard restrictions curfew time, like you have to be inside the campus around before 7, and you have to take out pass for going out every time you go out. So you have to take out pass, and you have to be inside the hostels before 9 p.m. And around the campus you can spend time around the campus, but you have to be inside the hostel before 9 p.m. for bachelors, and before for freshers, and before 10 p.m. for seniors. So if you don't like restrictions like these, so you should not prefer the hostel, but I should strongly recommend you to prefer hostel in the first year. And if I'll talk about the cheapest one, which will be the cheap for you, then hostels are way too expensive for you, because it cost around 85k for only living, and it cost for 5 to 7k for so it for food. So the whole year if will count, then it will cost around 1.5 150k per annum. So it's a good amount, I think so. So according to this, hostels are not cheap. If you go for a PG, then it will cost around it starts from 4k. If you opt for 8 to 9k PG, and it will have a two double occupancy accommodation, then it will be a good option for you to live. And if you'll go for flat, then there will be no restrictions for you to come inside the hostel or come inside the home before this time. Before, there will be no curfew time for you. You can spend as time as you want in flat. But it's the city like Noida and Delhi, it's not safe for you to live in to live in flat in first year. If you're leaving your home for the first time, then it's not safe for you. In the end, it's depend only up to you how you are comfortable with what things, and with hostel, PG or flat. It's totally up to you by which where you want to live, by which you are comfortable with. So it's totally up to you. I can only advise you to live in hostel for the first year, and if you don't like hostel, then you can leave in second year, it doesn't matter. But for the first year, and you are leaving your home for the first time, then you should live in hostel and analyze how things works outside the campus, and how things works inside the campus at night, because mainly day scholars leave the campus around 5 6, and mostly 7 8 in night, and you live in campus around 9, and you live in hostel after 9 to like whole day, whole 24 hours you live in campus. So you know how thing works inside the campus also. And if in the weekend on the weekends you can go outside, and you can look up to things outside the campus also. Then you should look up to things outside the campus for the first year, and then after you can go for a flat or PG, and it will cost around same. And if you go for a PG, then it will food, you don't need to worry about food, and you don't need to worry about cleaning. So, and if you'll go for flat, then you have to worry about food. You have to buy vegetables from the market, and then cook food or hire a maid. So it will go around more costly than a hostel. So if you don't want to go for a hostel, then go for a PG. And if you are like that, you can clean, because if you live in flat and you do these things, that cleaning, cooking food, and other kinds of stuffs, then you will learn more things also. But it will definitely it can definitely ruin your studies also, because you have to cook food, you have to clean your house. It's like a proper house taking, and as your mother does. I hardly recommend you for first years to live in hostel, and if you don't want to live in hostel, then go for a PG, because PG is more good than a flat. And if you know how to work and how to manage a house, then go for a flat. Flat is like your own house. There's no one to tell you what to do, what to not. In PG also, there will be someone to tell you that you should not these things, you should not these things. Then, and if you live in hostel, you will also uh, uh, enjoy many things what day scholars can't do, because as some functions are organized for hostelers only, and DJ nights are for hostelers only. You can if the class is for 9:15, you can get up on 9 and you can reach up to class still on time. So these are the merits of taking hostel. So analyze things in the first year, how things works, and go for a PG or flat if you don't like hostel in the second year. So these were all the things, and thank you for watching this video. And if you like, and please comment down what you want to see next, and I'll be making more videos on Amity things. And like, subscribe, comment, everything what you want to do. Okay, and I'll make 8 dark myths or about Amity, what people think from outside, and the inside story is totally different. So be with me and subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. And thank you for watching again, and just stay safe, stay home, because coronavirus is increasing day by day. So be safe, take care of yourself, and just enjoy your life.